Hello. So finally I'm giving my home tour. Honestly, I know I'm very late, but as I mentioned, my stuff came very late from India. So anyways, once we come inside, this is the lobby, which has a great view to it, but it's too dark right now, so I won't be able to show you guys. I am expecting some guests, so just doing the preparation for that. This is the kitchen here. So this is the open kitchen, and then this is the sitting area, the lobby. You know, this is like more than 60 floors, so the view is crazy. And then there's a balcony here. It's very hot in Dubai right now, so when nobody's sitting here right now, shall be when the weather is cool, which is expected to be in October. And moving on from here, we go inside. So from the lobby, we enter the first bedroom. I'm traveling today, so my suitcase is there, and the view is so beautiful. So this is the master bedroom. And you enter the second bedroom. Again, it's a balcony attached to the main room. This is our mandir, and again a place to make calls. Hi guys, so I just reached Dubai airport, and it's 1 a.m. in the night. I just met my sister, my bhaiya, my bhabhi and the kiddos after such a long time. Sorry, I thought I'll record, but we had such a good time that I actually forgot to record. It's so good to catch up with your family. They are like, actually ना हमारे यहाँ ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, real cousin. We all love to meet each other and have such a great time, and the best part is the next generation is also like that, so it is so cool. And now I'm at the airport, Dubai airport, catching up my flight for Penang, and once I land there, so I'll update you guys. Right now, okay, I'm just trying to breathe. My boarding is done, and now I am going towards the lounge, Emirates lounge. I'll spend some 2 hours over there, and then I'll fly. So I am in business class lounge Emirates right now. Hi you guys, it's 2 a.m. in Dubai right now, and my flight is
at 4 a.m. and I'm sitting at the lounge, had my food and having a glass of wine. And waiting for the flight. So it has been really hectic since morning today. But I'm so glad, I'm so happy to meet my family. This sister of mine, Sonu Didi, so I know her since the day I was born, okay, and हम लोगों ने अपनी life almost साथ में निकाली है. So we used to live in these joint houses, and Didi has always been like that elder sister to me, who has always been there for me, no matter what, She has always, has been that cheerleader for me. So Sonu Didi came, her son came, who's such a wonderful man now. And then I met Bhaiya Bhabhi, Bobby Bhaiya, Veena Bhabhi. So same for them. Bobby Bhaiya has been such a big support in my life, and Veena Bhabhi, as always, so beautiful, so charming. And I got to meet their sons, Ayushman, Adit, such amazing, handsome boys. So it was so good to catch up with my family. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको इतने टाइम के बाद you get to meet. उनके साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहती थी, but I had my flight and I'm traveling to Malaysia. So I couldn't, and we missed out. But I'm happy at least I got to see them, meet them, because I met these boys almost like for the first time so closely, it was so good. And Bhaiya and Bhabhi and Didi, I love you guys so much. And this is what I love about my family, that no matter wherever we are, for how many months and years we haven't met each other, but whenever we get an opportunity, we meet like as if like we know each other. मतलब हम बस मिलते हैं और बातें करते हैं विदाउट फिल्टर्स, मस्ती करते हैं. आई थिंक हमारे गर्ल फैमिली की एक बहुत अच्छी बात है. एंड आई एम सो 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 ब्लेस्ड कि हमारे एंसेस्टर्स, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हमारे लिए ऐसा कुछ छोड़ कर गए. इट इज सो ब्यूटिफुल कि हम इतने सारे कजन्स, वी आर स्टिल सो यूनाइटेड. सो गाइज, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, I mean, no matter whatever we are doing with our lives, it's so important to have family. And I'm so blessed कि मेरे दादा दादी और नाना नानी और उनके आगे ब्रदर्स एंड ऑल, दे आर सो वेल कनेक्टेड, एंड कहीं ना कहीं हमारी जनरेशन ने वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया है. सो वेरी हैप्पी. एंड टाइम टू फ्लाई टू पेनांग नाउ. You guys. So it's 3 a.m. in Dubai right now, and it's time for boarding. I'm going to my boarding gate. 4 a.m. is my flight, so exhausted, although I had a lot of fun because I got to meet my mentors at the airport and we had such a great time. So really nice. Now going to my aircraft. See you guys in a bit.